Hi guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. This week I'm going to show you how I do my marble caramelly chocolatey nails. I don't know if you would call this marble or just kind of swirling the two colors together, but yeah, today I'm going to show you how I do this. It's super simple, but it looks pretty cute. So yeah, let's get started. As always, if you watch my previous videos, you know I like to prep my nails by filing, buffing and applying a gel base coat, and then I cure that for 60 seconds. But yeah, I've already done that off camera. And as you can see, I'm using a separate brush because I find that I prefer the longer handle, and it allows me to have more control over how much polish I get on the brush. Yeah, you don't need too much polish, just a thin layer is enough, one single thin layer, and apply that all over the nails. Also, wow, please do excuse my own crusty nail polish that is peeling off. Yeah, that needs to be redone or taken off ASAP. Okay, so moving on to our second brown shade. Please note that I haven't cured the first layer. I'm gonna do this on still wet gel polish. So yeah, I'm taking the brown shade on another like long, very thin tapered brush, and I'm just gonna do light strokes of the brown everywhere because I was trying to balance out, you know, not putting too much on. So now we can start with the marble effect, and I basically just do random strokes of mixing, well not really mixing, but just stroking the brown shade into the nude. And yeah, as you can see, I'm not really doing it in any kind of pattern, just random strokes. If I see there's too much brown on one side, I'll stroke over it and then, you know, spread it out. And as you just saw there, I made sure to wipe off my brush so I wasn't double dipping into the brown polish. Now, I don't know if it's just this specific nail polish or just gel polish in general, but when you leave the polishes to sit, they kind of merge together nicely. So before curing, you know, allow the polish to sit and merge together for about, I don't know, 2-3 minutes, and then cure that for 60 seconds. As you can see, it's looking extra marbly because I allowed it to just rest and fuse together. So once that's cured, there is one step left to the design. I guess this could be optional if you prefer it or not, but I just like to go over the tips with the brown. I feel like it just gives it a nice overall finish rather than it just being, you know, marble. So yeah, I just line the tips and cure that for 60 seconds. when that is cured, I apply a simple shine finish top coat. As always, you could do a matte. I've actually not tried a matte finish on these nail designs, but maybe I will. I think that would look quite nice. Anyways, that's it guys. Just apply your top coat, cure it for 60 seconds, and there you have it. A simple design in less than, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. Thank you for watching guys. As always, I will link below my Instagram, my website, my Etsy, and yeah, please subscribe, share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!